Welcome again to Dataport Analytics. So this is our last video on moderation analysis. We are looking at how to conduct moderation analysis in SPSS. On how to conduct moderation analysis in SPSS. And in our previous video, we were preparing the data. Whereby we came up with the 4 variables and also the three variables, and we also calculated the interaction term. So we see that in this video we are going to run this analysis in Amos, so that now we can be able to draw the model. We run the analysis and also we interpret the results to test the moderation analysis. Remember, our model was like this. Just to recap so that you can see our model. This was our model. Our model was investigating whether the moderation analysis, the mental health, moderates the relationship between work stress and job performance. So the moderation analysis, or the interaction term between the independent variable and the moderator variable, whether it has a significant effect on the dependent variable. So this is what we are looking at. So we had already prepared our data. So the next thing is to come here in the Amos software. So we have already opened the Amos software, and the first step, first of all, is to increase this interface, to expand this white interface. So you click on view interface properties, and then we can select landscape legal, and then you click apply, and then you can see that the interface has expanded. So now we have a bigger space to work on. So the next step is that to import the data. You click on that icon, you click file name, and you'll be taken to where your data has been stored. Let me import my data where I have stored it. So you go up to where your data has been stored, you click on your data, and then you click open, and then your data will be open, and then you click OK, so that now you can import your data to Amos. Then you can also be able to view your data. When you click that icon here, when you click this icon, list variables in dataset, then you can be able to see your data. So what you do to be able to draw the model is that we have 4 variables. We have job performance. Just drag it. Sorry, we should use the remember, we should use the z values. So you click the z values of we click and drag the values to the interface like that. Remember, we should use the z values, and then you also have the interaction term. So we delete this one. This one should not be there, so you just remove it like that. So now we have our variables. This is work stress, this is mental health, this is job performance. Job performance is our dependent variable, and then we have the interaction term like that. So the next thing is to draw the arrows, to draw the connection, to connect the variables. So we are connecting the 3 variables to our dependent variable, and then maybe we can align the arrows so that they can appear well. Another thing that we have to put is that we have to put an error term on our dependent variable. You click plugin, and then you name the observed variables, and then the error term will be named automatically. So now we have drawn our variables. Then we come here to this icon. We click on this icon, so that now we can define our analysis properties. You click new, you click here output. We may be interested in standardized estimates, direct, indirect, and then factor scores. I think that one is all enough. And then you close that tab, and then now you can go to analyze. So when you click to analyze, you click proceed with the analysis like that, and then Amos will run the analysis. But before it runs the analysis, it will require you to save the model. So you can call it moderation analysis results. You can call it moderation analysis result, then you click save. Once you click save, the software will automatically run, and then this right icon here will display a green. Then you can click on it, and then the results of your moderation analysis will be displayed. So you have unstandardized results, and we also have the standardized results. So we have unstandardized as well as standardized results. To be able to see the relationship between the variables, you click on this view text icon, and then the results will be displayed like that. What we are interested in is that we are interested in this area of estimates. When you click on estimates, then the results will be displayed. These are the results that we are interested in. This one, the regression weights results. So if you look at the first relationship, is that work stress, this work stress, the z values of work stress on job performance. You can see this arrow is pointing from work stress to job performance, and you can see that this relationship is significant. So that means that work stress has a significant effect on job performance. If you go to the next, our moderator variable which is mental health, also has a significant. You can see the p-value is highly significant. It is less than 0.000. So our mental health has a significant and a positive. You can see this value here is also positive, has a significant and positive effect on job performance. What we are interested in is this one, this interaction term. So the interaction term, remember we created it by multiplying the values of our independent and our moderator variable. So what is the effect of our interaction term on our dependent variable? So interaction term has a positive. You can see this estimate, this beta value is positive 0.029, but the p-value is not significant. You can see this is 0.132, which is greater than 0.05. It is not significant. Then it means that this interaction term has no significant effect on job performance. In other words, what we are saying is the interaction between work stress and mental health does not affect job performance. Yeah, what in other words it means is that mental health does not moderate the effect of work stress on job performance. In other words, whenever you see that this interaction term has insignificant influence or the p-value is not significant, then it means that there is no moderation effect. It simply means that there is no moderation effect. In other words, it means that the inclusion of mental health does not moderate the effect of work stress on job performance. So that is how you interpret the results. In the case that this p-value here was significant, then we could have concluded that there is a significant moderation effect, which means that the mental health has a significant moderator or significantly moderates the effect of work stress on job performance. So that is how you run the moderation analysis in Amos, and also you interpret the results. Thank you.